see that the algae's reacted to the chemical. It gives off a red tinge, as you see here. This is like a carotene, and it does that to protect itself. The third property on Birkrig Park. So at the bottom of the conservatory it was very red actually, and you can see at the bottom here, see that there, how the algae is still reacting to the chemical, because on here we left a biocide on. There's quite a lot of lichens actually. So if you look close here, these are lichens, and they'll drop off at the bottom here. You can see the foam is still here from the biocide, and then here these lichens, these will just clear now by natural weathering. We did this wall, it's cleaned up really well, and we also did the garage. And this is what I'm saying about the lichens. So here, really hard lichens, and they will drop off. So another successful job done. And if you've got any comments, please leave them below. And if you like my channel, if you'd like to subscribe, you'll get notification of future videos. There's lots more coming, so we'll see you on the next one.